Tēnā koutou katoa. My name is Lorna and I am the Learning Experience Manager for Assurity Consulting Limited. My two chosen competencies are, number one, provides input into the business strategy at executive and board level through a learning lens, and number two, manages the delivery of learning at the enterprise level. Let's look at number one, input into the business strategy. My input to the business strategy has been through the design and development of a capability framework. Our people are our business, and each employee has a unique set of abilities that gives our clients confidence to launch high-quality products at pace and at scale. As a department of one, it has proved impossible for me to deliver learning and development solutions for such a wide breadth of diverse technical skills. We were exploring learning solutions that were focused solely on our consultants, not realizing that our clients were not necessarily looking for all the shiny new technologies and capabilities. Additionally, our business were giving no opportunity to our consultants to acknowledge when learning was taking place out at the client side. The concept of learning was very much viewed as something that takes place in the classroom. By viewing the business strategy through a learning lens, I was able to add value by building two important products. The first was the framework. The framework has given us the opportunity to laser focus on those capabilities that our clients need us to have. It also ensures that our people develop a deeper knowledge of their craft while enabling them to focus on specialisms. And secondly, the client experience forum allows our people to reflect after every client engagement and acknowledge what they have learned every time they go somewhere different. Our second competency, managing learning at enterprise level. The framework sits at the heart of all our people services, from recruitment to promotions and everything in between. The learning solutions I design and manage are based on the priorities within the framework. The senior leadership team, specifically the general managers of practice, dictate that priority. And this includes any mandatory New Zealand government or client mandatory training. As the Learning Experience Manager, I also own the learning management system, Workday Learning. I am responsible for providing stats and feedback on learning that is being undertaken, including all business learning audits of mandatory training. Our three major branches work slightly differently, so I ensure that learning assignments that involve various business systems are compatible for all those various needs from our branches. For example, one of our branches works solely in MS Teams, while the rest of the business uses the Google Suite. It means that learning assignments that are to be marked or assessed can be delivered either through Google Chat or MS Teams Chat. Looking lastly at the values I chose Manakatanga and Mohiotanga. As a very experienced L&D professional, I still seek out new ideas and concepts that will help me grow and improve the learning opportunities that I develop for my people. My current focus is on the lovely Barbara Oakley and her course Uncommon Sense Teaching. It is directed at school teachers, however the science behind it is so very relevant to adult teaching, and I encourage you to have a look if you haven't done so already. And my other curiosity is with artificial intelligence, and specifically with ChatGPT. Again, I would ask you, have a go. Try typing in, how do you create a capability framework? It is amazing. As I work with our specialists developing internal solutions, I'm always keeping an eye on the external training potential and vice versa. If our people need or want to know something, then our clients and perhaps the greater community also need to know this. And as a community in New Zealand, I still believe that many of our people are being left behind by the exponential change in digital technology. Somehow we need to close that gap. I try to do so one neighbour at a time. Quote, Lorna toku ngoa. Tēnā koutou.